Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to discuss about marketing. Today, we have to discuss marketing. What is marketing? So, marketing is the process of determining the basic need of the customer. It embraces all those activities made in the discovery of customer actual and potential requirement for a product and service, motivating its sale and distributing it into ultimate consumption at profit. In other words, marketing is a process which starts just from the start of production of goods and continue until the goods are reaches in the hand of customers. So marketing is an essential to the success of all business. It has some objectives and function. Some of them are: it is a social and managerial process. It is an essential of modern business, essence of modern business. It creates interest in the product. It creates interest in the product. It includes many activities such as advertisement. So what is advertisement? Advertisement is a part of marketing. So advertisement defines it is a paid form of personal presentation. It is a common tool used to direct persuasive communication to target buyers and public. Another function is transportation, which creates place utility. Goods must be transported from one place to another place. The another function of marketing is packing. Packing is most important function, protecting goods from breakage, spoilage and leakage. It helps to attract customers. The next one is branding. Branding is the name of a product. It is the identification to producers, wholesalers, retailers and customers to know about the product. And next one is sampling. It helps to understand the quality of the product. Quality of the products means people can use to aware about the product. The next one is marketing research. The marketing research is most important activity by which we can take decisions to know coming trends and position of the competitors. This help to compete our competitors and create some new things. The next one is product innovation. Today is the age of modern age. Modern age make it compulsory to innovate the product with the growing needs of the customer. Salesmanship, it is an art of influencing, convincing the customer to purchase a particular goods. Standardization, it determines the form to maintain quality. It determines the form and classifies goods according to their quality. Grading, sorting out of the goods according to essential specification related to size, quality, color, weight and most of the thing. So in short, we have to discuss about marketing and summarizing it: the performance of business activities which directs the flow of goods and services from producer to consumers or users in order to satisfy customer. Yes, the main objective is to satisfy customers and accomplish the company's objective.